I just want to tell you that there is an opportunity for you, and how I can help you to get the job in accounting firm is that I can help you to teach you the practical skills and get the experience so you can get the job in a CPA firm. There's a lot of demand, a very high demand of it because of there's so many small businesses out there that need help, need accountants help, they need business service. Here's the three things that I want you to do is first step is like decide that you want to become a business service accountant and you want to work in a public accounting firm. If that's what you want, then my training program is for you. But if that's not what you want, then this is not for you, okay? So you have to make that you have to decide that first. And if this is what you want, then you can help us to look after a lot of small business and help a lot of other accounting firms look after their clients as well, because there's so many people out there, like individual investors and business owners need our help to do all those compliance work for them. And the compliance work is really high demand, especially, you already got your accounting degree, you already got the theory behind you. To learn all this is, I can promise you can do it. It's not hard. The step number 2 is that I want you to decide that attend my TMS practical training program so I can help you to fast track your accounting career by 1 to 3 years. Okay. Let me just share with you what is this practical training program and why did I create it. Basically, I know all of you got this accounting theory, like you all got this accounting degree, but what you need is like you need this stepping stone, you need this bridge. The TMS practical training program is just like your stepping stone to success. So if you have these two, then you will get a job. You will get a job. I mean, you can do the work, you got your qualification, you got your accounting degree, and then not just to get a job, you can. I mean, one of my students, which is I'm really, really proud of her, is like she started the class with me in 2012, which is only 2 years ago. She's now got her registered tax agent, and she's going to open up her own accounting firm. I mean, how cool is that? And she sent me an email and testimonial, and I will share with you later. I mean, she said that if it wasn't because of my practical training program, she will never have that chance. Basically, TMS practical training program is provide you a bridge to cross easily and faster to achieve your ideal accounting job. And this is the main purpose I create this training program, just to help you, okay? And it's just like me, helping you and I'm helping you for this first step. And I know that once you can get into the CPA firm and the CA firm, then the sky is limit. I mean, you guys are young, smart. Your future is just unbelievable, but you just need help. You just need this first step help. And I'm willing to help you. I'm here to help you. I can assure you the things that you learn from me is priceless. I put a price for my program, but I think it's priceless. Okay, now here's the thing. If you join the CPA firm or CA firm, here's your career path, okay? First of all, you work as a junior accountant for 1 or 3 years, and then you work as an intermediate accountant for 3 to 5 years. Then you go up to senior accountant 5 to 10 years and become a manager and then business owner. Or you can fast track. You can just like May, like, the one of my students, she just fast track. And instead of people like, maybe they stay here for 5 to 10 years as senior accountant and never get their registered tax agent, never won. She actually only 2 years and she got her registered tax agent. I can't believe it. There's an easy way and there's a hard way. You can go the hard way, which is you just keep doing what you're doing. And I'm sure that's a hard way. Or you can join my program, and this is an easy way. Skill that I will be teaching you is people that in the intermediate accountant would need to know. So the experience that normally is about, I would say like fast track you by 3 years, but I would say if you really put your heart into it and really learn and do all the assignment that I ask you to do all the real case that I ask you to do, then you can fast track at least by 5 years. I mean, just like Nohadra did, May did, Ray did, so many of my students did, and I know that the thing that I'll be teaching you is really fast track you by so many years. What's worth more than money? Time, right? I mean, I help you to save time.
Let me explain how our TMS practical training program works. It's a 10 days intensive practical training workshop. So during this 10 days workshop, you're going to get valuable hands-on experience, and we are using like a real client cases for you to practice. So the skills that you gain from this attending the TMS training program will normally take a new graduate accountant 1 to 3 years to accumulate. It is a very practical training, hands-on workshop. You have to be really working hard, and all the cases, all the examples, and that you'll be learning, it's all from the real world case basis. It's just like exactly like that you actually got a job in a CPA firm, and then your bosses is giving you the the job from the client to do. So it's a very, very practical.
And the benefits that you can get from this program is like you can get an accounting job at the CPA firm fast, and you can save time and you can advance your career faster. Like you can avoid a lot of mistakes. You can make more money if you can do the work. Working as an, say, for example, junior accountant or intermediate, you're looking at salary between like 40,000 to 60,000. So you can straight away make a lot of money, start your career into the right path. And not only that, because you got a good foundation from me, because I teach you the right way, you don't have to go and do what I did, like, jigsaw puzzle and go everywhere and be an asset to the firm and not a liability. So you avoid making, you avoid making mistake. I will tell you what you should do and what you don't do. I mean, I've been in this industry for 29 years. I've been through everything. And I make so many mistakes. And every mistake that I make, it costs me so much money. And I have to continue learning as well. And I invest so much money in myself to be able to know what I know today. And I'm going to share everything with you. I don't know how to put the price on that, honestly. Because just to help you out to get a job in the first year, you already get like 40 to 60,000. Who actually will benefit from this one? People that want to work as a business service accountant in a CPA firm and they don't have any practical experience, this course is for you. Or if you want to fast track, like maybe you already have a job in a accounting firm, but the firm doesn't give you the real accounting work to do. They just get you to do filing, or they get you to do all the boring stuff, and they don't really respect you. And one of the things as a CPA is like, what I love is like you got this it's a really it's a prestige, reputable reputation. People respect you. People look up at you. I feel so good because people respect me. People trust me. People credibilities and reputation and prestige everywhere you go. You say, I'm a CPA. I own my own accounting firm. I just feel so good. I mean, it's got that prestige. Really a good field to be in, and I really love it. I really love it. I'm just so glad that I picked the right one, and I will never retire. Basically, also for people that maybe you work in a commercial firm and you get sick of it, like maybe you just do accounts receivable, helping to collect money, accounts payable, helping to pay the bill or payroll, all those one task thing and routine thing and month by month thing. It's kind of boring after a few years, but if you want to get an exciting work and servicing all different people and do all different jobs, then come to join the CPA field. I mean, become a professional accounting in a public practice firm is more interesting. You get to know the people's story. I mean, I just have a client calling me today that their business is in trouble and they want my help in some liquidation stuff, and you get to do a lot of other things that sometimes it's outside your field, but then you can get network for them. And people that maybe stay at home and you did your accounting degree, but then because you marry, now you're pregnant, now you have baby, and because of the family commitment, you can't go back to full-time job and you have to stay at home and take your kids to school, and you just want to be able to do a few hours work and earn some living, earn some money to help. I mean, this is a great skills to build. Honestly, I have 3 kids and I worked till the last day of my pregnancy. I didn't stop at all because it was so easy. You just have the laptop or the computer and you just do the work. It's very light job, and you can be anywhere. You can sit in your bed, like, with your blanket on and put the laptop on top of your lap and then just start doing the work. I mean, or you can go overseas. You can go anywhere, and then you just have your laptop, and because you got the skill and people need you to do the work for them, you don't have to be in the office. You can be anywhere. And because nowadays we have all these cloud servers and you can log in anywhere and just start doing the work. I mean, how cool is that to have this sort of skill? And once you build up this practical skill, it sticks with you forever. It's not going to go away. Nobody can take away from you. I think this is the best. This is the best. If you study accounting, then you should do this. I mean, I will teaching you all the skills that you should have. And what you will learn, Well, basically, you're going to learn how to prepare the BAS, prepare installment activity statements and PAYG withholding. I will teaching you how to prepare the financial account, basically all those intermediate work, how to prepare the income tax return and have that practical skills and sharing with you these trade secrets. Like you can go and work with any employer and they're not going to tell you what they know because a lot of I don't know whether you come across like some people when they know how to do something they don't really want to share with you, but because they might think that you're going to be competition with them. But for me, I love to share with you. I want you to know, because if you know and you like me and you might be willing to stay back and help me to grow the business, because I need people to work for me. I mean, all this work, I've been doing it for 29 years. I'm like a master of it. I really need to share with someone, and I want you to have that opportunities. All the mistake and do's and don'ts. I really encourage you to make that decisions now, because when the opportunity comes knocking, open the door. Okay, all right. I'm having fun here. Additionally, what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you lots of practical experience. Like once you know how to do the work, I love you to come and do more practical work in my firm, and I will give you lots of real case to work on. My TMS client, I'll get you to work on and I'll supervise you. I'm going to teach you about the client relationship. This is very important, like how to talk with the client, how to collect the information, how to answer the phone, how to do the interview, how to use the checklist, and how to do answer the right questions, and a lot of office stuff that not many people will teach you. But you need to know that, because that will show that you know how to do the work. So it is a shortcut. Like the training program is like a shortcut. It fast track your career to 1 to 3 years. Step number 3 is like once you know how to do the work, then now you can select the accounting firm that you want to work with, and I hope that you will select our firm. But it's your choice. I mean, when you have the choice, the power is within you, because you got the skill. And what you do is that, say if you pick a firm that you always want to work with that firm because it's in a city, it's nice, and it's big name, it's whatever that you like, then what you do is that I want you to go to them and make a proactive, and don't sit at home and writing them a resume. I want you to go to them and offer them and say, give them, and I'm going to share with you the bonuses that are, tell them exactly what you can do. Not tell them, demonstrate to them. Say to them, give me a job, I will show you that I can do the work, and you don't have to pay me anything, or no, something like that. Like you can choose, and take your 5 keys with you, okay? So I hope you remember what's that 5 keys. Okay, what is it? Clarity, competence, confidence, coaching, and commitment. I want you to take your 5 key with you, okay? Yeah, this is what I want to show you. See, if you go to Seek, I just went and search. You can get the salary up to 60,000 package. I mean, that's in Brisbane, but there's many jobs available. Once you know how to do the work, and then don't worry about this, say 1 to 2 years, whatever experience, and just go and approach them. If you like the firm, go and approach them and tell them that you can do the work. You demonstrate to them. So your earning potential is unlimited. And you will have the financial security and freedom. But you have to be proactive. You don't sit at home and keep sending that resume. Nobody will reply to you. I mean, or you go and drop your resume or CV to the firm and asking, hey, I want to, have you got an internship? Have you got a volunteer? It doesn't work anymore. Don't try. Wasting your time. It only depresses you. I tell you now, if it's work, you're not going to be listening to me today, okay? I know it doesn't work. So change it. Change it. Give yourself an opportunities. Give yourself the chance. Then come and learn from me, and I'm happy to teach you.
Let me ask you a question. Do you want to get your foot in the door of a CPA firm? But do you really want to get that business service accounting job in a CPA firm and start your career as a professional accountant? If the answer is yes, then I want you to go to www.tmstraining.com.au, enroll into my training course so then I can help you to fast track your career to make your dream come true.
It is time to put the degree that you earn to use, and it's time to get the valuable experience you need to land that paying job. I will give you, as a CPA, I'll give you a letter under my CPA letterhead, outline what skills and what things that you have, how to do it, and sign by me. So this will boost you a chance of securing your ideal accounting job with our reference letter. And this is priceless, because who's going to be your referee? Who's going to help you out? And I have been in this industry for 29 years already, and I'm a CPA. If I tell them that you know how to do it, you're happy for them to ring me, and I will confirm that. But you have to work, and you have to show me that you know how. You will have that real life experience that I say, and you will have that confidence. And then the more confidence that you have, the more competence that you have, and then it's just like in a cycle, okay? And this is priceless as well.
I want you to take action now and go to www.tmstraining.com.au and register now, okay?
I am going to be your coach for life. So if you say you decide that you don't want to work for TMS and you want to work for other firm, it doesn't matter, and you might come across something that you stuck and you don't want to ask anyone, you feel free to call me. I will guide you, and I will tell you, hey, do this, do that. Then, you will have me as your coach. I will coaching you, unlimited support and coaching you. So this is priceless as well. I'll put the price in. So it's for free. So it's priceless. So take action now and go and register now. And I know you might have some questions that you want to ask me. You feel free to email to me, okay?
If you're thinking of coming or not to take the course, I think it's a very good chance for you. If your goal is wanted to be an fitness service accountant, so it would be a very good chance for you because you can learn a lot of practical stuff from this course.
I think this was the best investment I've done in my life. I finally found Ang and her staff here who have opened the door for me, and like Vincent said, I really feel that I have my foot in the door in the industry and I can start dreaming again.
So grateful to everyone in this team. This is the best investment that I made in my life. I've made the right choice, and now I've got my foot in this accounting industry, and I'm very confident that I will become a very good accountant.
I feel like I haven't been getting so much exposure. I mean, accounts receivable, you don't really get to learn more. So when I saw this opportunity, I thought I should come, and today definitely, honestly, I actually felt incompetent. I felt like I haven't started working at all.
I was looking for this training course for long, and I shop around, and somehow your friendly face and your laugh, everything like that attract me, and I found what I was looking for. And this is just like I've been said at the beginning, I'm not going to let you go. You hold my hand, I'll hold your leg.
My students' feedback. This is from Lynn. Then I say, how do you feel after you complete the training? She say, I'm very happy that I did. I am confident to do the job right now. You understand the retail and service industry, how to perform all these tasks. So this is more about the skills that you will learn.
Like I made a very 100% good decision. Now I can mix my theories and practicals, all the things I got in 10 days. Like I feel like I can get a job after a month. It was like I was amazed. Like when I came here, all the staff are so friendly, and I can't believe this.
It helps me to gain that confidence. PAYG, financial accounts, 1A, 1B, because now I understand them and I know exactly how to take care of them. Also, after I complete this program, I believe that nothing is too hard to learn. And as you can see, like she's doing really well as well. She put herself, 8, 9, 10.
At least I can say it's a great start to get in the accounting job. Not only accounting job, is also great to learn something about the tax, about the GST, about the basis statement. Looking forward to attend the tennis workshop, so hopefully I can understand more better. Thank you.
After 10 days intensive and exciting, I know how to prepare quality BAS or IAS financial statements. Now I can help my clients to start up a business. Like that, I've got my foot into this industry and I'm right on my way to my career goal.
Hi, my name is Raymond. Today, before I came into this course, I didn't know anything about business activity statements, but today I sort of have a clear view of what it's like and how to do one. And yeah, thank you Ing and Alex for organising this course. Really appreciate it.
Coming here today has really opened up my eyes of all the things that I need to know and seeing how that's been done, and I've learnt the details of how to do that. And I think it's a very good experience because in the public practice nobody's going to take out their time to really teach you that. So, and she's a funny and inspiring trainer and has lots of patience with us.
Hello, my name is Alan. I'm one of Anne's students and have been coming to the training. I think it's very helpful to in the accounting practice. And if you're thinking to find an accounting job, then you should come to this training. It's very helpful.
Before that, I was an accounting graduate and I couldn't find a job for over 9 months because of lack of experience. And in that seminar, she had showed me that getting the skills and the practice, it's not hard, it's very easy. After I completed, Ing has offered me a job to work here at TMS, and I've been working since then, since 2009, so it's been 3 years now.
About a year ago, I came to Ing's training program to do that. I really appreciate the real working experience, not just the learning experience. When I actually started working here at TMS, I found I can quickly fit into the working environment and I don't need to ask so many questions to my senior accountant.